Thank you so much for your interest in this 2017 Harley Davidson Lowrider S. This is the one with the Big Bear drop-in cartridges and the Olin's rear shock. I'm just going to take a slow walk around of the bike real quick before I start it up. Should be no surprises as far as damage on this bike. As you know, some of the edge of the bar ends, definitely the sissy bar, saving grace of this bike. Literally saved this bike from touching the floor at one point. It does have a small block on the kickstand just to kind of give the kickstand some extra height. I know that this bike is slightly higher than stock, so that is part of the reason. I have the key fob in my pocket, so just turn that on, make sure she's in neutral so it doesn't lurch. Easy money. By the way, this is a cold start, so no tricks here. Forgot to do that before I started, but hopefully that's enough. Thing sounds beefy. Let's take the lights. Now let's make sure DRLs are working well. Indeed they are. Good. Good. Brake lights. Bike is running strong. Sounds good to me.